To fix your Steelseries Arctis no sound issue, it is essential to understand the possible causes of the problem and the steps to solve it. The Steelseries Arctis headset is a popular gaming accessory known for its high-quality sound. But like any electronic device, it can experience technical issues. First, ensure that your headset is properly connected to your device. Whether it is a computer, gaming console, or mobile device, check the audio jack or USB connection for any damage or dirt, and try cleaning or replacing it if necessary. Next, check your device's audio settings to ensure that the Steelseries Arctis is selected as the default audio device. You can do this by going to your device's sound settings and looking for the Steelseries Arctis in the list of available audio devices. Another common cause of the no sound issue is outdated or corrupted drivers. To update your drivers, go to the Steelseries website and download the latest drivers for your Arctis model. Follow the installation instructions to install the new drivers, and then restart your device. If the issue persists, try resetting your Steelseries Arctis headset to its factory settings. This can usually be done by holding down the mute button and the volume down button simultaneously for a few seconds. It is also important to check for any physical blockages or damage to the headset's speakers or audio jack. Inspect the headset's ear cups and audio jack for any signs of damage or debris, and clean or replace them if necessary. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be worth contacting Steelseries support for further assistance or to request a replacement. If your headset is still under warranty, by following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the no sound issue with your Steelseries Arctis headset, and get back to enjoying your gaming experience with high-quality sound. Remember to always check the physical connections and audio settings first, and then move on to more advanced troubleshooting steps if necessary.